So this is the first time. I mean, I've nudged it just to make sure it has power and it does drive. It's showing on the orange, but I'm thinking it does that because it has no idea of the state of charge. So it's just saying, yeah, that's all I've got. But the voltages, I don't think you can read them through the camera, but we've got 6.5 volts pretty much across the board. 6.4, 6.5. Pack voltage is 51, between 51 and 52 volts. And so I'm going to go. I'm just going to go up and down the street just for a quick image. Make sure I haven't got anything. So let's see. And because there's road humps and I haven't got a seatbelt on or anything, you didn't hear that from me. Okay. And there it goes. Stuff all over the floor. So I just need to turn around. Somebody's in the middle. There we go. So it's running, and it appears to have full power. So even though it's saying amber, I'm just going to take it up to 20 because I have to slow it down again. Maybe up to 20 it seems okay. Let me just turn around here. Okay, I'm going to mount that, aren't I? Let's see. Let's just deliberately so I don't catch the outside. Oh, that's fun. Right, and then we're just going to do a bit on boost, just to see what it's like on boost mode now. So here goes boost mode. Okay. Wowie. 25. Hey! Oh yeah! Now, and the pack's warm. I think it was charging. Let me just turn around again. I'm going to mount, aren't I? Oh, don't catch it. Oh, a little bit. Right. So there's lights going on and stuff like that, but the power's there. And it is there. Wow. Yeah, that's going. So we're good. It's working. Now I'm going to end the video and I can do this one-handed. Let's just show off by doing it one-handed. Reverse it into place. Yeah. Alright. Perfect. Right. Just to show that you don't need power steering with this at all. It hasn't got power steering, it's just straight out, but most of the weight is mid, you know, in the middle of the car. Right, so now what I'm going to do, okay, bit of a dip. So we got our first test, and we got the stats for it as well. So I'm going to have a quick graph of those and finish my MIDI cheddars, and then I'm going to tidy up and we'll take it for a proper run. But that is a new pack. We have a new pack. It's complaining like stuff. Lights are on and stuff, and I think it thinks that